Hello students, today in this video we are going to read an interesting poem about music, The Gift to Sing. This poem is written by James Weldon Johnson, who was an American author, educator, a lawyer, journalist and songwriter. He published hundreds of stories and poems during his lifetime. He had founded the Daily American newspaper at the young age of 24. He later became first African American professor at New York University. So let's start the poem, The Gift to Sing. Sometimes the mist overhangs my path and blackening clouds about me cling. But oh, I have a magic way to turn the gloom of cheerful day. I softly sing. In the first para of the poem, the poet wants to say, when sometimes the poet faces some sadful days or the problems that surrounds him, he had a different magical way to turn that sad day into a cheerful day, and the way is by singing a sweet song. Now the poet again says, and if the way grows darker still, shadowed by sorrow's somber wing, with glad defiance in my throat, I pierce the darkness with a note and sing and sing. Now, in the second paragraph, the poet says that if that problem becomes more dark and dull, and I feel a bold disobedience that makes my throat unable to speak anything, and I found darkness all around me. By hearing all the dark and sad news from everyone, I again start sing and sing to make me calm and quiet and happy. Now the poet again says, I brood not over the broken past, nor dread whatever time may bring. No nights are dark, no days are long, while in my heart there swells a song and I can sing. In the third paragraph, the poet explains that I never thought about the broken past that hurts me. I never try to bring that time that make me feel uncomfortable. Even I not try to think about all those dark nights and days that make my heart feel sad and pain. Usually, I try to make my heart feel the song and that I used to sing and make my day cheerful by hearing and enjoying the song. So, students, the overall meaning of the poem is that it describes that whenever the narrator is sad, he sings and his worries go away. He is no longer in a bad mood because his singing takes his mind off of things. The author intent of the poem is saying that when an individual is upset, find something that will make you happy. So, I hope you will find your own way to keep yourself happy when you feel sad by the situations that you face. So, students, I hope you all had enjoyed this poem and get the basic meaning of the poem, what the poet want to make us know and learn. So, that's all for today and have a nice day. Thank you.